What's up, guys? It's the Welding Machine. Today's video, we got a customer project that's gonna be aluminum. Pretty much, guys, with this project, you got aluminum, you got these brackets, you gotta be in certain spots. Boom. And it's like 4 brackets, one at the end and one right here. And they all gotta be welded in. I'm gonna assume solid because it's aluminum. It's from a track trailer. And I'm gonna put you guys at an angle so you can see. And then I gotta pull it in. So I gotta weld it and then I gotta bring it in. You see how much of a bow that's out at down towards the end down there. So they already started one. I didn't give them a price. They just said, you know, we need you to weld it, and this is pretty much, hey, this is a test. You get this done in the time you said, and we'll see where we go from there. So I'm about to go get my jacket, and we're gonna use the torches over there to melt all this water out of here, and so we can start welding. Stay tuned, y'all. Get to about 200 degrees. Alright, YouTube, so pretty much what I'm doing, I'm going to try to make this video pretty quick because I got to get this project done for the customer. So what you see right here is I got a clamp because everything's bowed and pushed out, so they want me to get it back to square. So I got a clamp right now pressing up against it, so this piece will fit in there perfect. And flush. Timing myself on this job too, so it's supposed to be from the outside. It's supposed to be 28 and a half. So I'm gonna put a good tack. Let's try it again. Oh yeah, better tack, better tack. There we go. Now we gotta get the square. Alright, YouTube, this is the Welding Machine coming back with video. Alright, guys. So there we go. We got the first one welded out with my portable spool gun. Now we're going to be using some 1/8 inch 43 welding rod for this job. Alright, y'all, so pretty much right now what we're doing is grinding, cleaning up surface because one of the plates fell off. Alright, and right now we're preheating it because I learned with the aluminum stick welding rods 40, 43, 1/8 inch, it's better if you preheat it because when it's not like TIG welding where you can hit it and it'll lay flat. You preheat it, it'll turn out a whole lot better. And that's what I'm doing. I'm preheating everything, trying to get it nice and warmed up. And then right now I'm striking arc. Now I noticed with aluminum rods, I can make another video and more in depth about it, but when you're looking at it in welding, it's not like welding with stick rods. It's hard to, how do you say, with stick rod when you're welding, you can see the puddle. When you're aluminum stick welding, you don't really see the puddle because the slag and everything just goes everywhere. And then when you get done welding, it'll be like a glassy aluminized slag, and when you chip it away, then you will see the weld, but you don't really see your weld. You just gotta kind of get a feel for it, get everything turning out right. And the slag is not hard to clean off, but as in this part, it's tight situations, it makes it a little bit difficult to knock it all off. And yeah, so just get some aluminum rods. They're pretty up there in price for 10 of them. But just grab some, buy some, and try them out, because in this case my spool gun didn't work that well. TIG welder, it could have worked better, but being that this was a time project where I needed to get it done ASAP, I had to revert to aluminum stick rods. And it's always good to be good with either or, the stick welding rods or TIG welding, spool gun, because both fail. At least you got one. You got 3 options out of all of them to weld aluminum. But I just say try them all and be familiar with all of them. That way, if it comes down to it and you gotta use one or the other, at least you'll have some experience and some knowledge on how to do it. And as always, guys, let's just stay kick back, relax, and watch the rest of this video. What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine coming to you guys with video. The video. And we got the product in the back. There you go. We're taking it back to our customer. So yeah, hopefully we get this. Hopefully they like the welds. Hopefully they're happy with everything. And this could be a good start to getting a contract with this company, which is mostly doing 99% of aluminum work and any other kind of work. So I pray for the best, and I'll keep you guys updated.